How to arrange plants in living room. Plants can completely change the feeling of a living room. They make a space look fresh, peaceful, colorful, and full of life. But arranging plants in the right way is very important if you want your living room to look beautiful and balanced. Today, we are going to talk about simple and creative ways to arrange plants in your living room and make your home look like a relaxing green paradise. The first thing you should do is observe the natural light in your living room. Some corners may receive bright sunlight while others stay shaded most of the day. This helps you decide which plants should go where. Large plants like fiddle leaf figs, rubber plants, or Erica palms usually look best near windows where they can get enough light. Smaller plants can be placed on shelves, tables, or corners to fill empty spaces beautifully. One of the easiest ways to arrange plants is by creating layers. Place tall plants on the floor, medium-sized plants on stools or stands, and small plants on shelves or side tables. This creates depth and makes the room look more stylish and organized. Plant stands are also a great way to add height and make your plants stand out without taking too much floor space. Another great idea is to decorate empty corners with large statement plants. Empty corners often make a room feel dull, but a tall green plant instantly adds beauty and freshness. You can also use hanging plants near windows or walls to create a soft and natural look. Hanging plants save space and make the room feel cozy and modern at the same time. Coffee tables and side tables are perfect places for small decorative plants. A simple snake plant, pothose, or peace lily can make even a small table look elegant. You can also place plants in decorative pots that match your furniture or room colors. White, black, clay, or woven baskets are popular choices because they blend beautifully with most home decor styles. If you want your living room to look more luxurious, try grouping plants together instead of placing them separately. A small plant corner with different shapes, heights, and leaf patterns creates a mini indoor garden effect. Mixing leafy plants with flowering plants can also add color and texture to the room. Shelves are another amazing place for plant decoration. You can place trailing plants like pothose or ivy on higher shelves so the vines hang down naturally. This creates a soft waterfall effect that looks very relaxing and aesthetic. Bookshelves with small plants between books and decor items also look modern and stylish. Always remember not to overcrowd the room with too many plants. A few well-arranged plants look much better than filling every corner. Leave enough space for the room to feel open and comfortable. Plants should enhance the beauty of the room, not make it look crowded. Finally, keep your plants healthy and clean. Dust the leaves regularly, water them properly, and remove dry leaves to keep them looking fresh. Healthy plants always make a home feel more alive and welcoming. With the right arrangement, plants can transform any living room into a peaceful, elegant, and refreshing space where everyone loves to relax and spend time.